Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aminata, and if you're new here, you are highly welcome. I'm gonna share with you guys another Valentine's Day video. This is the second one and the bathroom version. What could be better than your spouse coming home after a long day of work and you just surprise him with a nice romantic warm bath? Nothing can beat that. So I'm sharing with you guys some ideas, and I'm going to start off by preparing some sparkling water with lime and grapes, just to refresh him when he comes back from work. And yeah, you can also add some champagne or wine and all that. So keep watching, guys. So the drink is ready, it's sitting in the fridge getting chilled, and now I'm in the bathroom. I'm clearing out everything that is unnecessary for now, and yeah, and then I'm gonna add my twist and spice up the bathroom a little bit.
I wanna shout it.
for the Valentine's Day bathroom. It feels so warm and relaxing in here, guys. Like with all those candle lights, it's so relaxing and it smells so amazing. Seriously, I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.